Hey gang, Puppy here! I'm feeling so good, I'm going to do something to demonstrate how good I feel, and I haven't been able to do it this way for a long time. Oh, you think so, did you? There we go. Anyway, as I was saying, I haven't been able to do this the way I like to in a while. Just 2 days ago, I already would have been out of breath, sounding like that big locomotive. It was a 8-8 nothing, great big long locomotive. Anyway, puffing like it. Okay, here's my beans. I said beans. Come on, you. Just in case it decided to rebound before I come back to scoop the grounds. Now, the jar lid goes on the counter just in case the counter's down. I wouldn't want to get soap water in my grounds cup. You know what I mean? I mean, that sounds like puke time. Followed by, give me a gallon of Imodium time. And yes, I always give it the rotating action after the bang. Start getting hot. I keep these in the fridge or the freezer. Ta-da! Well, I gotta put on a show, don't I? I can't just stand here and wait for the coffee maker to get hot. Well, I can tell you this, when they prep you for, cardiologist to go up your femoral into your aorta up to the heart, sometimes they can't decide which femoral they want to go on. I should go right now to buy my new swimsuit because I got the Brazilian cut. Chirp, 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 chirp. The last EKG this morning before they booted me out of the hospital, the nurse come in, she had another nurse with her. She pulled the covers all the way down because she knew I was wearing my shorts. My wife bought a pair of these boxer briefs, they're jockey material, but this kind of length. They were red with a green frog. It said, "Hi, my name's Prince Charming." Because I told her, the nurses, they gotta come, they gotta check your access site here after, you've been stented or any other intervention going up the femoral and to your heart. They'll keep you overnight, and the nurses gotta come in like every 4 hours and look at it, make sure you don't bleed to death. I told my wife about this. I'm laying there the first time a nurse saw them. It's midnight. I heard her come in. I'm just playing possum. She lifts the covers and the gown, and she sees the frog and she laughs. I said, my wife thought you'd appreciate that. It's hot now. I like to get my water good and hot before I pump it through the grounds, because maybe you can or can't see, I'm over here at the nuke. Oh, no. I put it right here. Magic brown powder with the white lumps that turn café au lait into café au lait avec chocolat. I'm not even going to try marshmallow. Did I say marshmallow or mushroom? Ah, yeah, mushrooms. Ah. That's about enough of that. You, stay fresh. You should see it. It's beautiful. This spaghetti thin, almost angel hair thin. Oh. This right there. That's what keeps Poppy awake. Sleep all night. Get up. Take my morning pills. Give away yesterday's used coffee, right? If I don't have one of these, I'll be asleep within an hour. There truly is no life before caffeine. Oh, that's good. Wow, that was good. Oh, this way. How is that for a camera repositioning? Okay, now that's how I make coffee when I put a little bit of chocolate in it. Usually I don't put Swiss Miss in it. I did this video because I needed to post something, and a couple other guys were talking about how they make coffee. It don't gotta be a big cup. It don't have to be a, oh well, just right over here is the hospital mug I brought home today. It don't have to be a hospital mug full of coffee. I found making it espresso style from French roast beans, I get all the caffeine I need. And a whole lot less of running to the bathroom that I don't really need. I mean, I'm 63. I got enough reasons to run there. I don't need extra water that the body wants to get rid of. So, I'm going to go now and finish enjoying my coffee. How about anyone out there, if you're watching this, why don't you post a video showing how you make mud?